Story time. What is the time is of the essence clause? This is a simple term, and when I explain it to you, you'll probably shut the video, but if you stick around for story time, you're going to have some fun and it will make a lot more sense to you. Time is of the essence is a clause in our agreement of sale, and it's going to be in almost every single agreement of sale across the country that says the times are binding, meaning the deadlines are binding and enforceable. So if someone says, I'm closing on Thursday the 15th, and we both agree to that in writing, and one person doesn't show up for closing on Thursday the 15th, they are in breach of contract. Now grab your popcorn, here's story time. Years ago, I signed a commercial lease to move my office into a space, and the landlord got really funky weird, as the story was best served over cocktails, and it wasn't working out. So we decided to terminate, and she had to pay me a penalty because she was the one who was breaching the lease. And when her attorney sent my attorney a contract that said she's going to pay X amount of dollars as a penalty to Janice and release from the lease, there was no time is of the essence clause, meaning it didn't say a deadline for when she had to pay me that money, yet she wanted me to sign a release saying that I was no longer obligated to that lease, nor was she. And I stopped my attorney because I understand my contracts and I know what the time is of the essence clause. And I said to my attorney, there's no time is of the essence clause in here, which means if I signed that contract, she still wouldn't have paid me that settlement because there was no deadline in there for her. So having a deadline in your contract is super important. It's called the time is of the essence clause, and we need to explain that to our clients because they need to know there's a deadline, and if they miss a deadline, they are in breach of the contract, meaning they terminated the contract without a legal reason. Time is of the essence. Time is ticking. We agreed upon a date. Use these things to help you remember time is of the essence. It's a super important clause for your contracts. And I know that you can get this one because it's really kind of simple. To remember it on the exam, remember the acronym TOE for time is of the essence also stands for time or else. This will help you. If you need help memorizing this stuff, just grab our study pack. It has electronic flashcards with audio and video recordings, a bunch of practice exams, and we're always adding more to it. Keep watching these videos, keep practicing, and leave your comments, questions, and aha moments in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.